How to extract or grab any object from an image in Canva. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can grab or extract any object from any image using the Canva AI. So before starting the video, I'm going to make sure that this particular feature is for Canva Premium members. So that means you will need to purchase a Canva Pro or a Canva Premium membership in order to enjoy this particular facility. So let's start with the video itself. So here you can see that I have this blank design ready in order to demonstrate. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is add a image into this particular design. So to add a stock image, I'm gonna click onto the elements option at the left and then add any image. So for example, let's say this image right here. So here you can see that the image has been successfully added into my Canva design. Now I'm gonna right click onto this image and from here I'm gonna choose set image as background so that it takes up the entire area. Now from here, let me show you how you can extract the objects from this image. So simply click onto the image that you want to select, and then from here, when these options appear at the top of the screen, you need to click onto the edit button right here. And under the edit button, you can see that this left on the left hand side, this panel appears. Now from here, you have a number of options, and under the Magic Studio you can see one such option that says Magic Grab. So simply click onto this Magic Grab option and it will start to detect objects in this particular image. And here you can see that it has detected these objects. So for example, if I want to remove the cup, what I can do is simply click onto this cup and then click onto this grab button. Once I click onto the grab button, you can see that it is actually separating it from the image. And here you can see that I have successfully grabbed this cup from the image, and now I can move it to any other place that I want, or I can even use it outside of the image as well. So that's how easily you can grab or extract any object from any image in Canva. So that's it for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions, then ask them in the comments. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.